Hello, my friends, and welcome to coding exercise number 8. In this exercise, we are asked to write a program to make such a pattern like a pyramid with a number which will repeat the number in the same row. For example, the user enter the number of rows is equal to 4. The program will print 1 at the top, 2, 3 threes, 4 fours. Okay? So I need from you to think about how to create such a pattern. The user enter a number, it will be printing a pyramid like this pattern. Just one hint, please guys, think about nested loops. I'm waiting your solutions in the comment below in order to solve and check it for any error and help you in any misunderstanding of concepts. I hope you solve it well. Now let's start solving this problem. I will create 5 variables of type int, I and j for the loop, and x, n is for the number entered by the user, and s is the sum here. So I will start by getting the user input. So I will display a message for the user. Please enter a number. And in order to get the data from the user and the input from the user, we need our friend scanner. So scanner, scan or s1 equal to new scanner system.in. Okay, s1 dot or n equal to s1 dot next int. Okay, now s equal to n plus 4 minus 1, because if I entered 4, the user entered 4 plus 4, 8, minus 1 is 7. So I need to repeat this 7 for the 7. So this is the number of spaces, the sum of the spaces. I want from you to concentrate with me now. 4, I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, the entered number by the user, I plus plus. I need to go and loop through this loop. But since I need to print 3 things, the spaces, the number, and the rows, so I need to create 3 loops. This is for the rows, this is the outer loop, this is for the spaces, for the rows. Now I will create a for loop starting by x equal to s, the spaces, x does not equal to 0, and x minus minus. I need to reduce the spaces as long as I go down. So the first number 1, there are a lot of spaces, but 4, 4, 4, 4, there is no spaces. Okay. System dot out dot print the space. Okay. I will make this space. Okay. This is very important. Another loop, another nested loop inside the outer loop. So this is for the spaces, and this loop for printing the numbers. So printing the numbers, we'll start by j equal to 1, j less than or equal to I, and j plus plus. What I need to print? I need to print the numbers. Okay. So I will print the number here. Print I plus space. Okay, so I print the space here. System.out.println, and then I will put s minus minus. Okay, therefore I created a big loop, an outer loop that is used for printing the rows and determine the number of the rows. The user enter 4, so it will display for the user 4 rows. This will display the spaces, and this will display the numbers. Please pay attention for this space. So it may be confusing for you that we have used these spaces and we count the number of spaces here, but there is an extra space here with the numbers. So every number, there is a space between the two numbers, like 4, 4, 4, 4, there is a space between them. Let's run our program and see how it looks. Please enter a number. I will print or enter number 4. It will give me 1, 2, 3, 4. The first row, the first loop, sorry, it will determine for us how many rows we need to make. We need to make 4. So I will create 4 rows. This is the outer loop, okay? I'm talking about this, that it's indexed by I. The spaces here, if we click on this, it will give us the number of spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 here, okay? So 7 here. And how many numbers? It start by a j equal to 1. It will print 1. It start by 2, so it will be printing 2. Okay? Until j less than or equal to I. I is 1 at first. I is equal to 2. I is equal to 3. I is equal to 4 in the fourth line, and so on. So we need to print the number according to the number or the line number. So this is the line number or row number 1. I will print 1 time. We are on the row number 4. I need to print 4 times, and so on. Okay, this is about iteration, and this is about making shapes. And I hope you understand how the iteration and how the loops works and used for making complex things. And I want from you to write these examples down, and to memorize them later on when you try to review what we have done.